Thank you for joining one of our installation videos in the GTA Toronto. We're showing off a little work here of our finished product now. We have a nice 2 feet by 4 porcelain tile, Caligata. It's a nice white tile with some gray in it. There are different types of the Caligata which have some stronger grays in it, some lighter. It all depends on what style you are looking for. So just gonna do a little walkabout here. This we have basically a brick joint pattern. Okay, so they're not stacked side by side, but offset on half a tile over. So again, it's 24 inches by 48 or 2 feet by 4, simple. If you want this type of installations, this is what we do for a long time now. Give us a call at 416-937-8115 for tile installations, dry pack leveling. Getting all your floors nice and straight is crucial on something like this to get your finished product. As you can see, we have some metal edgings here, and then we have vinyl laminated flooring. As you can see, very nice, sweet, nice finish with all the baseboards on. So it's a complete prestige look, precision installations. Here at the doors, this is actually a commercial unit that we've done. Besides the residential, definitely, of course. So again, this is what you see, and this is what you'll get in your installations of your project. If it's showers, bathrooms, kitchen, hallway entrance of your house, this is basically this is it. You know, get it done right the first time, and it's a dream come true for a lot of people. We have some lighting here, so we're showing the tile with the vinyl base all done up. Very sweet, very nice. Again, give us a call at 416-937-8115 and we'll come and give you a quote for your tile installations or laminated. Okay, so again, pictures are nice and videos are sweet and dandy, because what you see on our videos is exactly what you get at your place. So you can see everything is nice and straight. Very nice sheet of glass floor here that we have. It's all cleaned up, and it's a very nice dream floor that you can have basically in your custom home or kitchen or bathroom walls, from floor to walls and right up to the ceiling. Okay, again, I'll let you go. When you have a chance, you want to get this type of work done, give us a call at 416-937-8115.